Hello, welcome to Just Indices. Today is our 113th day of investing, and we are in the 26th week. Today is August 4th, and it's a Tuesday. Before getting into the video, just let me put out the disclaimer. So, this channel documents my personal investment journey using real money. You just go through this disclaimer displayed here. Do not take any advice from me. Just consult your financial advisor in buying, selling, or holding any security. Yeah. So the purpose of doing today is just I want to convey that I started investing in a new indices. So as usual, just indices here I'm showcasing or I am trying to learn to invest in the indices, just indices. The reason is very clear. I'm not a financial literate. I do not have much knowledge in identifying the best stocks, or what they call it as multi-bagger or something. I do not have the knowledge of identifying the stocks. Instead of identifying it, because I trust in the India growth story, and it is always clear that we are growing. India is a growing economy. In the next 10 years or 5 years or 15 years, it is going to grow rapidly. To be a part of this growing story, I just want to invest in the Indian economy. Investing in the Indian economy is nothing but investing in the Indian stock market, which I think both are directly proportional. Where it may have its own constraints, but keeping the constraints aside, I believe that both are directly proportional. So for the same thing, I have picked up the top 50 companies, which I am trying to invest, which is Nifty Bs. And then I also started investing in the junior Bs, the next 50. Apart from this, I also try to learn and understand how the stocks are performing. So for that, I choose a couple of stocks under my satellite portfolio. So the portfolio is divided into two. The first one is for the long term, and the second one is satellite, which is for learning and opportunity capital. Opportunity capital is nothing but I buy today something, hold it, and sell to make some profit. I am buying today assuming that these particular stocks which I picked today are in the growth phase and they may earn something in a couple of years. It's not like for long term, just 1 or 2 years. And the ones that I go with long term is for building wealth. That is the ETFs, which is not stocks, which I invest in the indices. So today I found one more thing. It's not that I found today. I just want to start investing in the mid 150 piece as well. It's not that I don't trust in the Nifty Bs or the Junior Bs, but I just want to add one more indices which I want to extend my portfolio. The reasons are simple. In the last 6 months, in the sense this is my sixth month of investing. In the last 6 months, if I look at the Nifty Bs in the sense, the top 50 companies that are trading on the Indian stock market. So if you look at the last 6 months data, the market hasn't gone anywhere. It didn't fall or it didn't rise. It is just sideways. And there can be reasons as well. The first reason, the primary could be US and Iran war, which they don't, even the dialogue was put on hold. There was no peace talks. And in case if the talks were happening also, they were just keep on postponing it. They don't want to close it. And there may be advantages from US side as well. I do not know. That is beyond our discussion. So I don't see any peace talks that are going to happen. So this keeps going. As long as the US and Iran war keeps going, the crude prices definitely affects, and the crude prices definitely affects our Indian economy as well. That's the first thing. And second thing is AI. It's not the AI affecting us, but the investments affecting us. There are a lot of investment that has been happening in the AI companies. People have been investing a lot and they do not have much money, much wealth to invest in the other stocks. I do not say that they don't have much money, but the priority is like investing in the AI stocks. So that's the second reason. And the third reason is depreciating of Indian currency. In the last couple of months, we have seen that the Indian rupee has been falling and it's very depleting, and that's a scary part. And apart from these three reasons, there can be other reasons as well. which is hurting our economy, and that's the reason there are more sideways. And let's look at the junior base. This also let's look at for the last 6 months. So for the last 6 months, it's not sideways. There was a dip here, there was a dip here, but apart from the dip, there has been sideways, which implies it's better than the Nifty piece. And the same thing, let's look at the mid 150 as well. So this is mid 150. When I'm looking at the for the past 6 months, there is a dip here. There's a dip here, and then it started growing. I missed the opportunity to invest when it is here, which I invested in the junior base, but I invest 150 because at that point of time I was just starting. I started in around February. Here in the February, I started investing, and the day I started investing, it has been falling. So Nifty Biz has been falling, Junior Biz has been falling, right? But this I haven't given a thought because I was very new to the stock market and I do not have much information on the multiple ETFs as well. The moment I started researching myself, I started understanding using my personal circle. And then I started Googling whatever the questions I have. And then I started asking ChatGPT multiple questions. Based on these questions, I understood that to start investing in the top 50. And then just there are two reasons. One is stability. Identifying stocks and multi-baggers is tough thing for me. So instead of that, I went straight away and invested in the indices. Indices give me stability. That's what I believe. And the other one is there will be less volatility. In the small companies or the mid companies, there can be volatility, but in the top companies, may not be such volatility. If I buy one stock, I may end up falling or rising because it's volatile. But when I choose a bunch of companies, one company may do good and other company may not do that well, and each complements each other. Each complements, right? By complementing each other, I am safe. So that's the reason I have picked up indices. And these indices, looking at the growth of top companies, I feel that the growth of top companies are stagnant. It's not moving anywhere. And it's the opportunity for the mid companies and next 50 companies to keep growing. So that's the reason I am believing that this can keep growing. That this doesn't mean that I'll stop investing in the Nifty Bs. I'll keep investing in the Nifty Bs, but I'll also keep investing in the mid base and junior base as well. Right? So to say this, I thought to make a video because the portfolio got a bit changed. And when I look at the current after one twelfth day, I mean yesterday until yesterday. So this is my portfolio. So just a minute, let me pull out this. Able to paste the screen. So if you look at this is yesterday's data. Today is 130th day, and this is 112th day. Let's yeah, it's 112th day. So 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 by end of the day, yesterday or till now, it's almost same. Nothing has changed. So we are in the green portfolio so far, and we are making a P&L of minimum 5%, which is good. Earlier it was just 1%, 2%, or 3%, and now we have grown to 5%, which is a good thing. If you look at last time when we made this video, we were here around making around 3.39%, and today there's a jump, which is 5%. And I don't say that this is a great profit, but we are in the process of making it. You know that stock market doesn't give us profits immediately. It may take us some time. And our interest is also not to make immediate profits, but to keep building wealth for a long term. The main thing is our primary investing is into uh, indices. Indices is something that do not give profits immediately. It takes its own time. And apart from this, last time I was more interested with the hospital sector. It can be hospitals, for pharma, and diagnostic centers. So that time I have selected one more, which is pharma base. So farm is something which I thought to keep investing. This is also one indices, which is ETF. But the thing is, like, I do not want to go aggressively similar to Nifty Bees, Junior Bees, or Mid 150. I just want to limit myself and just go step by step. It may take its own time, but I'll see. And apart from that, I thought to look out a couple of stocks in the hospital sector also. So I just want to experiment how it goes. But I'll keep checking for more ETFs where I can get coverage of hospitals, pharma companies, and even diagnostic companies. So that's all for now. And just before closing, I just want to say we are staying in the green portfolio, and our primary objective is to at least buy one unit per day. Thank you.